Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hafiza Sidra Rafiq. I am here to help you to learn Holy Quran with Tajweed. If you want to learn Holy Quran with Tajweed, then you are in a very good video. So today video, I will tell you the Arabic alphabet with good pronunciation, and I will tell you the point of articulation of the letters, which helps you a lot. So learn Quran is very interesting. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Yes, today our first lesson is about the Arabic alphabet. You can see the first lesson number 1, and the first letter of Arabic alphabets is Alif. Here you can see it's Alif. I will tell you about how Alif is pronounced. You can see the spelling of Alif: A-L-I-F. Alif. It's very easy. You can speak it. And the point of articulation of Ali is about the hollow portion of the mouth. Alif is pronounced the hollow portion of the mouth. Here is the letter Alif. Here is the letter Alif. And in the Qaida Noraniya, you can see here's the Alif. Alif has no dots over it, and it's pronounced the hollow portion of the mouth. Easily you can say Alif. And next letter is this one. This is called Ba. You can see a one dot. Ba has one dot in its below position. You can see Ba sound. You can understand in the English alphabets. Here's the B sound has Ba, and the Arabic alphabet Ba has the sound of B. B, A, A. You can see it. Ba. And how Ba is pronounced? The point of articulation of Ba is bringing lips together, joining lips together actually for the letter Ba. Okay? Ba. Understand? Clear? And we can highlight it. Ba. And the next letter is this one, and here's two dot. It's known as Ta. What's that? Ta. Repeat after me. Ta. And Ta has two dots on its upper position. You can see it's two dots. And now here's the letter Ta. And how Ta is pronounced, I will tell you. Alif. Say it again. Alif. And the second one, Ba. Ba. Say it lightly. Don't say it harshly. Ba. No. Just say lightly. Ba. Joining the two lips together, not hardly, just lightly. Ba is Ta. Ta. And now I will tell you how the Ta is pronounced. Ta, the point of articulation of Ta is tip of the tongue touching upper incisors. You just try to say it again. Ta. 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 It's Ta. And how many dots are here? There are two dots. There are two dots on its upper position. Ta has two dots on the upper position. Very simply, Alif, Ba, Ta. Now we will move in Qaida Noraniya. You can see it. Alif. And the next one, one dot in its below position, just joining the lips together, it's ba. And the next one is ta. Ta has two dots on its upper position, and simply the tip of tongue touches the upper incisor and you can pronounce the letter ta. And what's the next? Here is the three dots on the upper position. What's the next? You can see the spelling of fa. It's fa. The sound of sa sound. The sound of s is like the sound of fa. It's, you can see fa, fa. I am going to highlight the letter sa for your better understanding. Here's the letter sa. And now I will tell you how the sa is pronounced. Sa is pronounced when the tip of tongue touching edge of the upper incisors. You can know about the edge is the incisors and protrude enough to be visible. Fa. Understand? When the tip of tongue touching edge of upper incisors and protrude enough to be visible. And fa has three dots in its upper position. Okay, point of articulation, you know, understand about the point of articulation of fa is when the tip of tongue touching edge of upper incisors and protrude enough to be visible. So this is the letter fa. So we are discussing about the first four letters of the Arabic alphabets. The first one, alif, ba, ta, fa. It's very easy to say. You just try to learn it. You just try to repeat after me. Inshallah Aziz, you understand the first four letters of the Qaida Noraniya. This is also Arabic alphabets.
So hopefully you enjoy the lesson. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Stay connected. I will come again with my new lesson. So take care of yourself. May Allah give success to all of us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.